In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the old Opera GX back. So the first thing you want to do is you want to close down Opera GX completely. So close it with the X button over here and make sure it's completely not running in the background. So we can check this down here. If it's not over here, that's cool. Right click on your taskbar, click on Task Manager, and then you want to look for Opera over here. So at the very top, type in Opera. If there's anything regarding Opera GX, what you're gonna have to do is you just want to click on it and click on End Task over here until there's nothing left. So once you do this, we're ready for the next step. Now you want to go down here to the search box and you want to type in Run. And once you do that, you want to open up Run and type in this bit over here. So %appdata%, okay? Now once you do this, click on OK. And this will take you inside the app data roaming of your current user on your computer. Now, in here, what you should do is look for Opera's folder, okay? So let me just find it for you. There we go. It's called Opera Software. You want to click on Opera Software, and here, click on Opera GX Stable. Now, in here, what you're going to have to do is you want to look for a file which is called local state. Now, it's not going to be a folder. It's going to be a file, which is going to be down here somewhere, and it's going to say local state. There we go. There it is, local state. Now, this part over here is the most crucial one. You want to right-click this and click on Edit with Notepad over here. This will open up this box, as you can see, so it's just a random code over here, but what you're going to search for is the following. So you want to click on Control and F, so this F is going to pop up, and you want to type this part in over here. So it says GXX, and then this underline, and then flags, okay? So once you do that, click on Enter, and you're going to see it's going to pop up over here on the right. Now, this is the part we're going to be working with right now, especially the one inside these brackets over here. So by default, in here, it's going to say enabled true and then migrated true. So what you should do over here is you should change both these trues to false, okay? And of course, once you do that, save it. So let's just do this. Over here, it says enabled true. You want to do over here, you want to type in false, and then migrated true, you want to type in false, okay? So once you do that, you can close this box and then you can save it by clicking File and then Save. Now you can close this down. And then back in here, you can check if it's saved. So just go Edit with Notepad again. You can double check it. So over here, GXX flags, as you can see, it says false, false. Now, once you do this, make sure you right click on this local state file and you click on Show More Options, and then you go into Properties, and here make it a read-only file. So if you do a read-only file, what this will do is it will make it stay, and you won't have to do it all over again every single time you open your computer or Opera GX. So put it on read-only, do Apply, and then OK. Now after you've done this, what you're gonna have to do is, of course, you wanna open up your Opera GX. So just look for it on your computer. There we go, and you wanna open it up. And then you'll see that the old UI should be back, okay? So, of course, if it doesn't work, restart your computer, but of course, if it does, that's great, and that's pretty much it. Now, mind you, I'm not sure how long this is going to work, however, right now it does, so of course, you can take advantage of it as long as it does. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.